I'm Miss Andrea and this is my student Vanessa, and we're going to teach you how to dance to Genie in a Bottle from Descendants. So why don't you get up out your seats and dance with us, and it's going to be a lot of fun. For this dance we're going to start in the back of the stage. So right now we're in the back of the room. We're going to do a step snap. So put your left hand on your hip, then you're going to step with your right foot first and snap with your right. So it's crossover step, right, snap. Then you cross over again. Left, snap. Right, snap, left, snap. Good. Let's do that again. Let's go back. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to walk around yourself 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Then from there you're going to grab yourself, put your right hand on your left shoulder, left hand on your right hip. And you're going to have your feet together and kind of just bounce and move your hips right and left. So I like to move my knees. That helps me. So I feel like I've been locked up for a century of lonely nights, waiting for someone to release me. So from here, you're going to go in with your hands and then push out. Let's do that again. From here, waiting for someone to release me. Okay, it looks like this. In, out. So we just did this to release me. Then you're thinking of rain. You're thinking of rain, blowing kisses my way. That don't mean I'm gonna hear what you say, baby, baby. Cool. So you're gonna shake your hand no and pop your hip and just let your hand fall. Okay. From here, you're gonna sway your arms right and left. So it's oh, oh, oh. Okay. So your right arm, you want to try and put your elbow, then your wrist, then your hand, so that it looks elegant like that. Okay? Think of a snake. So, and then your other hand follows. Okay? Nice and graceful. We're going to go right, oh, oh, oh. And I kind of like my hips to follow the direction and what my arms are going so that it looks like you're slithering. Okay? So you just did, oh, oh, oh. Then you're going to say, my mind is saying, let's go. Okay, so hands on your head, and you're going right, left. Then you repeat, oh, oh, oh. But my heart is saying no. So just like how we did this, push out, you're going to say, but my heart is saying no, with 2 fingers out. So now you're going to step out with your right foot, right and left. And as you're doing that, you're rolling your shoulders, okay? So from your feet together, you're going right, left. And that's for, if you want to be like me, baby, there's a price to pay. Then you're going to, so this is like money, right? And you can put your hand on your hip. Baby, there's a price to pay. Then you're going to take your hand and kind of like as if you're combing your hair or swiping your hair, I don't know. I'm a genie in a bottle, okay? So let me do opposite. I'm a genie in a bottle. From here, I'm a genie in a bottle. Then you're going to say, you got to ask me the right way. So it's like gimme hands, and you're popping your hip. Gotta ask me the right way. Then you're going to step right, left again. If you want to be like me, I can make your wish come true. Gotta make a big impression. I gotta like what you do. Is that the words? No. What are the words? What are the words? Make a big impression. I gotta like what you do. Then from here, you're going to do the genie in a bottle thing again. So you're going to wipe your hair and bring your arms to the center, but this time you're going to face the right corner. Okay? For I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. So I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Then you're going to go out, in, out, in, out, in. Okay? So your chest is open, you're closing it, open, close, open, close. So I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Gotta ask me the right way, honey. Then again, I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Then you're gonna do the gimme hands, come, come, come in and let me out. Okay, so there's that movement again where you go in and out. Let's do that again. So it's, I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Gotta ask me the right way, honey. I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Come, come, come and let me out. Then from here, you're gonna sway right and left, and you're gonna bring your arms down slowly. Music's playing and the lights down low. One more, and then we're good to go. Waiting for someone to go with me. Good. Waiting for someone to go with me. And then you're gonna come like hula dance to the right. So carpets racing at the speed of light. Let's go have an adventure tonight. Baby, baby. Good. So you want to make sure you're moving your hips to right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Good. Then what you're going to do is do a chaîné turn back to the position that you are in. So you're going to step left, right, left. Let's do that again. So it's left, right, left. Okay? When it's fast, it looks like this. Left, right, left. So now we're back in that position. So then you go back to, oh, oh, oh. My mind is saying, let's go, oh, oh, oh. But my heart is saying no. If you want to be like me, baby, there's a price to pay. I'm a genie in a bottle. You gotta ask me the right way. If you want to be like me, I can make your wish come true. Just come set me free, baby, and I'll be with you. Cool, then you repeat, I'm a genie in a bottle. I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Gotta ask me the right way, honey. I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Come, come, come and let me out. I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Gotta ask me the right way, honey. I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Come, come, come and let me out. Cool. Then the song repeats over and over again. So we're going to do the song with music now from beginning to end without stopping. And turn around yourself. Then sway. Then hula. Carpets racing at the speed of light. Let's go have an adventure tonight. Baby, baby, baby. Turn 1, 2, 3, and. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. If you wanna be with me, baby, there's a price to pay. I'm a genie in a bottle. You gotta ask me the right way.
baby. Better ask me the right way, honey. I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Come, let it out. I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Better ask me the right way, honey. I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Come.
Be together.
I'm a genie in a bottle, baby.
That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have fun, practice real hard, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Like and subscribe.